Hey everyone, have you ever accidentally sent an email that you wished you could take back? Well, in Gmail, there's a way to unsend an email, and in this video, we'll show you how to do it step by step. So the first step, make sure that you have the undo send feature enabled, and you can find that under the general tab in Gmail settings. So go to your Gmail settings by clicking the gear icon in the upper right corner. 2. Under the General tab, find the Undo Send section. 3. Click on the drop-down menu next to the Undo Send and select the amount of time you'd like to have for undoing a sent email. Gmail offers options for 5, 10, 20, and 30 seconds to unsend an email. Choose the desired time and then click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. With the increased time, you now have a greater window to undo a sent email in case you realize you made a mistake. Now, let us try sending an email that we intend to unsend within the time frame that has been set. Once you sent out an email, you see a message sent notification pop up at the bottom of your screen. Click on the undo button that appears next to the notification, and the email will be removed from the recipient's inbox. Keep in mind that the undo send feature must be used within 30 seconds of sending the email, so act fast if you want to unsend it. And that's it. A simple and easy way to unsend an email in Gmail. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more workplace hacks like this one.